I'm Carol Finn. I'm currently the General Secretary of AGU. I've been an AGU member for 30 years. I work in Denver, Colorado as a geophysicist with the U.S. Geological Survey. This is a very exciting meeting because for several reasons. One is we're transitioning from the old council that is now defunct to a new organization. We passed governance, as you know, we passed the governance changes. We're going to have a new board and council, and we have laid out the structure of both those organizations, but now we're going to make it live. We've got to implement the strategic plan. We have a lot of work to do. So this meeting is to help to meet each other and to start to learn how to work together and really understand our roles and responsibilities as AGU volunteer leaders and what we're supposed to accomplish during our terms. This leadership conference is historic because it really signals a very big change in accountability and responsibility for the volunteer leaders. It really is the first time that a large group of people like this will get together and understand what they're supposed to be doing and how they're supposed to best help AGU to achieve its mission, how we're supposed to work together, how we're supposed to work between the council and the board, how we're supposed to work with the executive director. We have a new strategic plan, we have a new structure. This is all very exciting and very new. The separation of the board and the council is an important development for AGU. The board is going to focus on the fiscal and legal responsibilities of the organization that are so critical in these times. I mean, there's a lot more government oversight of organizations like AGU, and we really need to make sure that we have a very educated and active board. But that's a lot of work, and the board is going to be not really representative of the voices of the membership, and that's why we have a council that's going to focus on science. And that council is supposed to contain the voices of the organization, represented currently by sections and focus groups and student members and committee chairs and young scientists. And during the next year, we're going to have a task force that's going to look at how AGU can best advance its science, how we should be organized, how the council should be organized, and how we can further AGU's mission and make sure that we have a diverse global viewpoint in our leadership that's fundamental for AGU to move forward.